Some people just play game for fun, while some of us play it and also earn while playing it. That is the purpose of this tutorial. All right, so what you need to understand in this tutorial is, after this tutorial, you know how to earn with this app, you know how to withdraw, you know how to play, you know how to like do everything you can on this app. And one of the things you need to understand is that it's not referral based. So honestly, everybody have to hustle for their coins, right? So for me to go deeper, let me just welcome you to Solid Crypto Academy. Here we post update 20 every three days, and it has been an amazing journey so far. So please subscribe and help us grow. Please, we need to get to 2K fast. Please help us grow, right? So having said that, let's go to the main video. So the first thing you need to understand is how to how to register. And for you to register, you see the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Just click on the link, and the link will take you to Google Play Store where you download the app. So after you download the app, just log in with your normal email. All right, log in with your normal email. When you come to this home, you will see something like this on your home page, right? You see something like this on your home page when you come to your home page. But the main thing is, just come here and click on this and click on this. This is how you play it. You click on this. Normally your dashboard is not going to be like this because I've upgraded. That's why my platform is like this. Look at this place. I will explain it one by one. So this is the depth which the hook can go. You can see I've upgraded it with my points. Is it points or coin? I will call it now. I've upgraded it with my coin. You earn it for free too. You are not paying anything, right? You upgrade it. This one too, you upgrade it. Your own is not going to be like this, but after you start playing, you can start upgrading it. So the deeper is going to go, the more. Look at this. Okay, this is the most important one, which is the diamond, because without diamond you cannot withdraw. So let's do this. Let's go deeper. When you click on it and you want to play like this, you click on it. You see how it's going deeper? It's because I've upgraded. You need to catching whale, and whale has more points than the normal fish. You understand? Whale has more points than the normal fish. Your own normal one now will catch less than 100 fish points per game, but because I've upgraded. Okay, good. Let me explain this. You need to watch ads each game. You need to watch ads, because without ads you cannot actually earn anything. Without ads you cannot actually earn diamond, because you actually need diamond for you to actually withdraw. Alright, so every game make sure you watch ad. So when you come here, okay, there's no advertisement now. One thing you need to understand is the advertisement differs by each country. So make sure you try and use VPN to change your country in case if it is writing something like this on your own dashboard too. Alright, so if you want to play, just click on this, and when you click on this, I'm catching whale here. Your own might not be whale because you are just starting, but as you upgrade you see, you can upgrade it. As you upgrade you see it, right? As you upgrade you see it. Okay, so you can see on the dashboard here, you can see this withdraw. You can see this withdraw. When you click on this withdraw, this listing, this is a very important place. You can see there is already 83 people that have withdrawn today. Right? So I want to teach you how to withdraw, because to play the game is very simple, but to withdraw is the main thing. Right? So when you click on this withdraw here, the token you are withdrawing is called label. Label is already listed on the screen now. It's already listed on, let me just say pancake swap. This is it now, right? So let's click on this. Click on withdraw. You see, I need 20 diamond to withdraw 10 label. I need 100 diamond to withdraw 50 label, right? And here, based on the fact I just made the withdrawal now, I don't even have any diamond. How do I get diamond? One, by watching the ad I showed you just now. That is number one. After playing each game, an ad will pop up. Look at something. Look at one. Make sure you avoid this thing. If you don't avoid, you need to avoid that thing that is like I don't know what I'll call it now. If you don't avoid it, you just take it, right? So you click on it. Okay, there's no advertisement now. I will use VPN later. So when you, after watching each advertisement, they will give you 1 diamond. That's one way to earn more diamond. One way. Second way is this. You click on this place. Second way, you click on this place. Then it will take you to this place. When you get here, you will see different tasks you need to do. One, you download Binance and you sign up with their code. You join the Telegram group. When you join the Telegram group, they usually drop the lucky code there. You can also follow them on Twitter. When you follow them on Twitter, they always post the code on Twitter. And the diamond code on Twitter, you can see it here too. Then you can also perform these tasks. If you do not have a Mex account already, you can just do that. Even Gate.io is here. Gate.io is here. You can do any of these tasks to get more diamond, because you actually need more diamond to withdraw. Without diamond, there are little stuff you can do. Okay, if you want to invite your friends, look at the reason I say withdraw. Referral is not really counting anything. If you refer anybody, they will only give you diamond. They will only give you diamond. They are not giving you any real money. You can just use the diamond to withdraw. So everybody goes for their money. So this is the advice. Make sure you have a separate Web3 account. Don't use your SG account to withdraw. You have a separate Web3 account that you are going to be using for the withdrawal. What do I mean by that? Create a MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Just deposit 0.00001. Then you can just use that as the gas fee when you are withdrawing. Let me take you. The reason I'm doing this is that from the community, many people already know how to play the game, but to withdraw is the issue. I've already explained how to get the diamond, right? So let's get how to withdraw. I've already placed withdrawal, but I've not claimed the withdrawal. You can see I've connected it with my. It's on the status is under review. Look at it. If I want to withdraw it now, I'll just click on this refresh link. When I click on the refresh link, it will take me to the web browser, which I usually use, Mrs. browser. So when they are using pay the fly to pay. So what that means is that honestly, pay the fly is always flagged. It's always flagged. In fact, they'll tell you should not connect. It's a scam. You understand that kind of thing now. But one of the things you need to understand is that make sure. Okay, you can see it now. Make sure that you have a separate Web3 account you are using to withdraw from this game. Why? Because normal, you need to be careful. That is number one. Then the way these people are prompting is a scam. You might actually be worried and you won't get the best out of it. So make sure you have a separate account for it, and after each connection, make sure that you do what? You revoke. So it's still connecting, but based on phone. But let me just log into my MetaMask, so it's going to be more faster like that. All right. So please, we want to grow this channel to 2K before the year end. Please help us subscribe. You can also join our community. We post updates every day. And the one that is difficult, we do the tutorial every 3 days. So please join our community. All right. So that's about that. And let me pause and put my details. So the reason why I have to connect to my MetaMask is because it's taking time. And when it is taking time like that, you might not be able to wait. So you just help it by trying to log in first. So you wait for it to is picking another okay, good. When it is now like this, when it's now telling you to connect wallet manually like this thing, you need to be careful here. All right, you click on connect and you choose MetaMask. Because I choose MetaMask. You can use your normal wallet, any wallet you want, but this is the one I'm actually using right now, this MetaMask. So let's connect. Okay, look at what I'm seeing. Good. This is why the tutorial is good. Malicious site detected. Connect anyways. If you are a newbie, you'll be afraid here. You understand? Look at what they are saying. If you connect to this site, you could lose all your funds. So use a new wallet entirely. All right. So I click connect. And okay, they say I should confirm withdrawal. Look at it. They say I should confirm withdrawal. I just click on confirm. So waiting for wallet to connect. Let's wait for the wallet to connect. Right, let's wait for the wallet to connect. Okay, it's taking time. I've been told by the community to make the video long as it's going to be very easy for people to navigate. Right, so even here they are still telling us that be careful. That is why you are seeing this review alert. You understand? They're just still trying to tell you. So look at the fee you need, $0.01 worth of BNB. So if you don't want to stress yourself, just join our community. I usually buy all these tokens, so you can just join our community. I'll buy it from you. All right. So they're still warning about the malicious site. They're still warning in case you don't see it. So you click confirm. Okay, I think that is that about that. I think we have claimed it successfully. Okay, let's wait for the confirmation. I've claimed it successfully here. So please subscribe, and if you have questions about all this app I've been posting, check our channels. We have many updates, money making updates like MEC. I buy and sell MEC too, so you can just check and you will see many updates. Updates plenty, you understand? So let's wait for the confirmation. Let me pause and wait. All right, so there are some things you will notice when you see something like this, that they tell you should fund your account. This one, don't mind it, just scroll down and click on connect wallet if it is on connect wallet. So the transaction is successful, but when you go to your MetaMask, you won't see the token directly, so you need the CA to import. So let's go to MetaMask. Yes, as expected, you can see here that the token is not here, so we still need to import it. So let's go on and import. Right, so we need to import the token. Importing the token, you need the CA. So the CA2 will be in the description of this video. All right, so we will need the CA to okay, this thing is not connecting yet. Let's wait for it to connect. All right, so remember the token is on BNB. So when you click on token, to bring you here, then you click on this plus. So when you click on this plus, click on this plus on the top right. Is it top right now? You will see import token. Right, so we are waiting for it to load. The network is a bit bad, but we are trying to, you see that. Okay, hold on, let me get back. All right, okay, so you click on this custom instead of the search. Click on this custom, and when you click on the custom, you paste the CA. This is the CA, right? Pasted the CA, and I just wait for it to load. Okay, good, they identified it. Just click on next, then you import. That is label token, right? So here you need to, okay, good, you can see this is the token. So this is just an example. This is just only 10. This is just an example. So from here you can just decide to swap directly. From here you can just click on the token and you click on swap directly. Network again, you click on swap. You can swap it to maybe USDT or BNB. Since I need more BNB, let me switch it to BNB. Okay, you can just swap it to BNB from here. Okay, I'll choose BNB now. You can swap it to BNB. Let me just click on mass. So you can swap it to BNB from here. Insufficient gas fee. Okay, you can see. You can swap it directly or just use relay. Anyone you want to use is your choice. And from here you can also sell it to me. You can just tell me, okay, I want to sell it, and you see, confirmed. So the token is real. All right, so let's go to the app again. Let me show you one or two things again, because I just want you to now from here now, you can just send it to your exchange, or you can send it to me if you want to sell it to me directly, you understand? Or if you convert it to USDT, you can send it to me, like sell it to me or send it to your favorite exchange. So that's just about this particular place. So we are done from here. Let's go to the exchange back. So the main idea is, make sure you work hard by making sure that this thing goes to something like 16 years, so that you can be getting a good number. Just 1k point is 10 label. You see that now, that's around 0.1, and with this my existing mass depth now, I can actually end that in three is it 3 hook? Yes, you understand? For this hook, you can use diamond to buy hook, you understand, but diamond costs, so I won't advise you to do that, you understand? If you want to invite your friends, you come here. So if you have more questions, please DM me, drop in the description of this video, the comment section, or also join our community and ask in the discussion group. Honestly, we are active 24/7. There's now 25 people. Okay, I'm the 85th person. All right, so see you in the next video in the next 3 days. Make sure you follow on your notification, and we'll see you. Thank you for watching.